viewers, Namaste. Today we are going to see about IDCW. What is IDCW? Whether it is beneficial to me. Very small video. So IDCW means income distribution cum withdrawal. This is an option in mutual funds. So earlier the same option was known as dividend option. Now SEBI directed all fund houses to change the name from dividend to IDCW. This is with effect from April 1, 2021. Why did SEBI say this? In company shares or stocks, the companies distribute dividend. They distribute dividend out of the profit earned. So they distribute a portion of the profit earned to shareholders, and the remaining portion is being utilized for the growth of the company. But however, that is not the same case in mutual fund units. Mutual fund units, whenever they give out dividend, some portion comes from the capital that you gave, plus some portion comes from the income earned by the mutual fund scheme. Hence, the name dividend cannot be applied, and also this created a lot of confusion among investors. They thought that similar to fixed deposit, okay, they are getting dividend. Whenever they want, they will get their full principal back. But during market down times, this did not happen. Say a guy who invested 1 lakh and received 10,000 rupees as dividend, when he goes to withdraw that 1 lakh, he found there was only 70,000 or 80,000. Then they started shouting, fighting and all those things. So to remove the misunderstanding, SEBI directed all fund houses to come out with this nomenclature IDCW. How this works? Say for example, a mutual fund scheme unit's NAV is rupees 20, and yesterday it was 20, and today the mutual fund scheme has told that we are going to give you 2 rupees dividend. So today evening the NAV of that scheme becomes rupees 18. 20 minus 2 becomes 18. This 2 rupees might be like, just for example, 1 rupee came from your capital and 1 rupee came from the income that the mutual fund scheme earned. So that's how the 2 rupees has come. Also, all mutual fund houses has been directed to give a statement similar to that. How much came out of your capital, how much came out of the income earned. So investors will be getting that statement as well. And this clears all doubts among investors, and they understand that okay, a small portion of the money is coming from my capital and also from the income earned by the scheme. Now the next question is, which is good for me, whether IDCW or the growth option? So like people who do not need money right now, their requirement is after 5 years, after 10 years, after 15, after 30 years, let us assume, then they need not go for IDCW option. It is better for them to go with growth option because they are earning now, they don't need money now, they need for their retirement, for their children education, buying a house, etc., etc. So just go for growth option. For those who need regular cash flow, it would be better to go with SWP, Systematic Withdrawal Plan. Systematic Withdrawal Plan, you have to register for it in a scheme, and you can withdraw every month or every quarter or every year. So in that way, it is more tax friendly. In systematic withdrawal plans, you need not pay for the capital that you are taking out. You have to just pay the tax only for the profit earned by you. That too, in case of equity schemes, up to rupees 1 lakh per person per year is tax free. Over and above that only, one has to pay 10% tax. So that would turn out to be a better thing for many people who need cash flow. And otherwise, if you go for IDCW option, the total amount given by the fund houses, the capital as well as the income, becomes taxable in your hands, and you have to pay tax at your tax bracket, which is very costly. If you are a 30% guy, then you have to pay 30% tax on those dividends earned. So either choose growth option or go with SWP option. That is a better bet. And then the second thing is, when you are going for IDCW, you lose the benefit of compounding. So it is better, if you don't need money, allow the capital to grow, go with growth option. So that compounding effect would be much better and significant when you see after 10, 15, 20 years. Thank you, viewers. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye.